What's up everyone, welcome to a new video. As you know already, in this channel you can find a lot of information about how I trade and some concepts about smart money, which are some concepts that I have inside of my strategy. Now, as I said already in many other videos or on my Instagram, if you follow me already, and if you don't, make sure to go follow me for also daily tips and to actually follow what I'm doing and my entries and my trades and so on. As I say many times, smart money is a great tool. It has some great concepts, but in my opinion, it is not something that makes you profitable. As you know, right now, it is very, very popular. A lot of traders are using smart money, including myself, keep in mind, but still the 90%, so the majority, 90% of traders, or maybe also 95% of traders are still losing money, as I say many times. And you might wonder why everyone thinks that smart money makes a person profitable, but they still lose money. The reason why is because a system with an edge on the market is missing. Smart money has great concepts. They can be applied, they make you understand how the market moves, but if you don't have a system that is proven to work over time and is proven to give you that extra edge in the market, then it is not enough to actually be profitable. Of course, mindset and psychology plays a huge role, and you might argue that 90% of traders also lose because of that, and I agree that it plays a role inside of the overall 90% of traders, but this is not the only thing. Keep in mind that smart money needs to be contextualized inside of your strategy. With that being said, I hope that you will like this video. Make sure to subscribe, because I will drop 1 or 2 free videos with free education here on my YouTube every single week. And if you want to join my course for some extra education and to actually learn how I trade and to follow my setups and my entries, then the links are here below. I'll see you in the video.
See if maybe we are creating some type of structure at all. We are. So perfect. We are creating some structure. I hope that this move breaks to the downside. So we are officially creating some type of structure. We have this high created. Let me delete this thing right here. We have this high created, and then if we break structure, we have a low being created. There we go, that we just created, and now all that is left is breaking this high to the upside. When we break that high to the upside, then we can look for some trades. Why trading indices is more profitable than currencies? No one ever said that. For some people it is, for some others it's not. Do you use wolf pattern? I have no idea what that is. I don't know. So we were looking at, we had a chart on USD CAD also. Which was actually nice. Then we had NZD/USD to keep in mind, these two. Take a look at. And JPCAD, of course. But what is the person telling me about wolf pattern? Like, and never, I just trade my patterns. Never heard of this name. ADUSD, sells above liquidity, would be a good option, only with very good confirmation for now. To me, I don't really see, I see the areas, I don't see the confirmations for now. So just to recap, we're looking at NZD/USD sells if we have confirmation of this area being broken. We're looking at possible USD CAD buys if we have lower time frames confirmation. We're looking at possible GBP CAD, let's see, buys if lower time frames finally give a clear sign that we are changing direction. What is this? I still see like a supply area from here. I don't really see, cannot really see it a different way. Can you tell me what's wrong on this chart? Nothing is wrong. The analysis, I like the analysis, but I don't see like which was your confirmation. You had confirmation yesterday. Today is also another day, maybe. Because yesterday, okay, let's say you had confirmation here, break structure to the upside, you enter here, you go to profit, and then you move to break even. And today is another day. We take out Asian lows, maybe we take out previous days lows, previous days highs. We are still at demand, so it doesn't mean that we are actually not going to be bullish. Now, overall, I don't know if we are actually going to be bullish, but that's just a matter of waiting. We already took out Asian lows here right now. We will see. This is what I have. Euro USD. Let me see. 1 minute or 1 hour? 1 minute. If it's 1 minute, I don't know. I don't really see it that way. We also just took out Asian lows. Yeah. All right. Please check my chart when you can. I probably missed it. You need to send it again. Many messages being sent in the chat. So just to recap, I'm happy that we did the live trading during London session. Just to recap, we're looking for possible buys if we have confirmation on GBP CAD. We're looking for possible buys also on USD CAD. Now, if we have confirmation on both, I will not take the trade on both. I will take the trade. I probably prefer JP CAD overall. And NZD USD, we didn't have confirmation. We didn't break this area, but we will look for confirmation during the day. You need to send the link of the chart. You cannot send the image. I cannot view the image. You need to send the link. Here you can see, you go here, you do copy link, and then you send it to me. Okay, good. Where would you look to take profit on NZD USD if supply fails? What is this? NZD CAD looking for sells. From up here, right? I think 85.63, 85. Yeah, 63 from up here. Overall, I would say that the downtrend is really from here to here. So this could really hold and you can really have sales from here. But we also need to remember that you're looking at the 3 minutes, you're not looking at the bigger picture. I would, instead of using a pending order, if I wanted to look at that area for possible sales, I would drop to the 1 minute and look for confirmation on the 1 minute. Please show session indicator settings. They are in the course. Copy the settings right here. Euro USD. Yeah, actually, I like it overall. Maybe I will look at this demand first, based on Asian range, but we will see. I'm more interested in GBP for now. Yesterday trade, then let me see. So this I can understand. A stopping on this one after breaking the previous lows and you look for an entry. I can understand that. This not really. Everything failed at that point. You were just chasing the market at that point. We had this higher supply, but look, we break everything. We retrace and it's clear retest of demand to continue. Look at the bigger picture always. EUR/GBP from supply. Yes, I like the supply. As I said during the video, there are higher supplies too that you should keep an eye on. The reason why is because this breakout structure comes from this move, and this move has 3 supplies in it: this supply, and higher supply. Now I will either trade from this one, which is the decisional, or from the extreme. Did confirmation happen on GBP CAD? To me, yes. To me, this is internal confirmation, so risky confirmation. Of course, we need to understand that we are in a downtrend. We are overall in a downtrend, both on 5 minutes until we break here, and also 1 hour. But if I have to look at minor confirmation, internal confirmation, this is confirmation for me. CHF, no, I don't like this supply. This supply is a supply against the trend, while we are clearly bullish for now. So for now, thank you for connecting. This is all for this live. I will send the chart of GBP in the Discord, and stay tuned. I'll see you next time.